Hey guys, in order to delete all wallpapers on iPhone, you're gonna hold the screen, and then you're gonna just drag at the top, drag the wallpaper at the top, or the photo right here, right? And then hit that trash bin icon, right? Let's say for example I want to delete this background, so I'm gonna just drag it up, right? And then hit delete, and then you're gonna delete them individually. All right, there is no delete all option, but you can quickly swipe up on each wallpaper and tap the trash bin icon to remove them. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.